Happy Wednesday. I hope that you guys have all been doing well. Can't believe that the week is just about finished already. I actually have a Watermarble Wednesdays to share with you guys. I haven't had one of these to share in quite some time, so I'm glad that I was able to get one done. I'm hoping to continue getting them up more regular again, but we'll have to see how things go with the newest addition in my family. So if you'd like to see how I came about with this look, keep on watching. For the base of this water marble look, I'll be going in and using Sally Hansen's Xtreme Wear White on. And you don't necessarily have to go in with the white base, but I do find that the white base does help the colors to pop a bit more. But sometimes you can go in and use the lighter color of the colors that you'll be using for your water marble as your base color. But I was able to use this white polish in 2 thin coats just because I was going to be covering up with the Watermarble nail art, so it didn't have to be absolutely perfect. To help speed up the drawing process so I can go ahead and start with the Watermarble nail art, I'll be using Girly Cosmetics Water Rush Top Coat. You guys already know that I will be going in and using my Girly Cosmetics Border Patrol, which I love to use to help protect my cuticles when I have to do any type of messy nail art, stamping, water marble, smush mani, anything like that, just because it does help to make the cleanup process easier and it doesn't leave like any staining from the nail polish or anything around my cuticle area. For the water marble, I'll be using my TwinkledT Glamor Matte Marble Cup, and I will also be using Paint It Pretty Polishes Can You Make This Sparkle as the first color that I'll be marbling with, and the second color that I'll be using is O.P.I's Girls Love Ponies. So I've got my room temperature water already set in the cup, and I'll just be going ahead and alternating between the 2 polishes and trying to keep the bullseye right in the center, and I'll be doing that until I get the amount of rings that I want or that I feel that I can work with, and then I'll start my design. There is no right or wrong way to this. You just kind of keep dropping in beads of polish and try to get as many rings as possible, because you do have to remember that the first, I think 2 or 3 rings is usually the ones that are going to be drying the fastest. So you just want enough rings so that you can have enough leeway when it comes to making your design, and of course an extra drop of polish got on the outer rings, but that's okay because I'm not going to be pulling from that general area anyway. And to create my pattern in the water, I'll be using my What's Up Nails Pure Color number 7 water marble tool. This is actually my favorite item to use when I'm creating my designs, but you don't have to have something like this. You could use a needle, you could use a toothpick, you just have to find whatever works best for you. So once I've gotten the design how I like it, I'll be going ahead and just trying to place my finger in at a 45-degree angle and aiming for an area that I think is going to look good on my nail. And what I'm doing is I'm just lightly blowing on the water to help it dry faster, so that when I do go with my Q-tip to clean up around the area, I don't have any of the excess pattern accidentally touching my nail that's already in the water. And I'm just slowly turning it around, and there you can see the pattern that came out on my nail. And once I've gone ahead and removed my latex barrier and cleaned up whatever little bit I had left around my cuticles, I'll be applying my last and final coat of Girly Cosmetics Water Rush Top Coat. here we have the final look of this week's Watermarble Wednesday nail art. I love doing Watermarble nail art so much. I know some people really don't like it or they just can't grasp it, but it is something that does take practice and patience. So if you guys did like this tutorial, please do give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you did not like it. And as always, all the products will be listed down below. If you do have any questions and or comments, please feel free to leave them down below as well, and I will get back to them as soon as possible. And if you have any color combinations that you'd like me to use, let me know as well. And as always, guys, thanks so much for staying with me, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And as always, stay glamorous.